Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with the essentials. Confirm you are listed as an admin or editor. Only those roles can change a page name. Once done, use a desktop browser or Facebook Business Suite on desktop because mobile limits options. Open your page, then go directly to Settings or Edit Page Info. This is where the page name field lives. Make sure your page represents an authentic entity, since Facebook checks for accuracy. Now, click the field to begin editing the name. This is the first actionable step. You type the new page name into the name field carefully. This matters for brand recognition and approval. Once entered, Facebook may prompt you to explain the change. Provide a short, factual reason such as rebranding or clarifying services. Make sure the name follows rules: no misleading claims, no excessive punctuation, and no restricted words. After finishing, review capitalization and spacing. Mistakes slow approval. Then click Save Changes and follow any dialog Facebook shows to submit the request for review. You submit the change and Facebook begins a review. Expect an email or notification with the outcome. Once submitted, avoid making additional edits. Multiple requests can delay approval. If Facebook rejects it, review their feedback, adjust the name or explanation accordingly, and wait the required period before trying again, typically 7 to 14 days. If you hit technical errors or the review seems stuck, contact Facebook, Help Center, or use Business Suite support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.